Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Etsy SEO ranking tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So let's start by addressing common Etsy SEO mistakes made by sellers. One prevalent error is overly descriptive titles that focus solely on the product's appearance. Sellers often highlight colors or material details, neglecting the potential customers' needs for solutions. To counter this, it's crucial to identify relevant keywords reflecting customer search intent. Tools like Etsy Search Bar, Google Keyword Planner, or other search tools can aid in finding popular or pertinent terms. Now let's delve into Etsy's SEO tips. Incorporating primary keywords in clear and descriptive products titles is essential, as the initial word holds significant value. So make sure to avoid excessive commas as they can negatively impact search results. Now, craft detailed product descriptions that engage customers with highlighting features, benefit the potential uses, and integrate keywords seamlessly within the description for improved visibility. Now, also maximize Etsy's tagging system by including relevant and specific tags that accurately describe your product. Now, in summary, remodeling your SEO involves aligning with customer search patterns on Etsy. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can improve your Etsy SEO ranking in 2024. Remember that SEO visibility on Etsy may take time, so be patient and consistently apply and adjust your strategies and regularly evaluate your shop's performance and adjust any approach or based from your results. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.